are involved with the voter bribery.
Well, that's good to note. And it's proper to say that development is not a wrong thing, but development with being used as a dangling carrot in order to sway the voters, that's why we're questioning the timing, especially since Mbere North right now are complaining that the transformers that were put 8 months ago during the by-election have been transferred. Jane, in a minute or so, tell me this, because we've seen allegations that handing out cash for exchange of identity cards. Has this been documented and forwarded to the relevant authorities? Because we heard from the accused, and he said that the identity cards were being recorded solely for accountability purposes after receiving money to distribute to residents in specific polling areas. Briefly.
Yes, that has been documented, and we have also engaged the relevant authorities. So it's there. The people of Ol Kalou are being asked to give out their personal details for them to get money, and which is a bad thing because you do not know what this data will be used. It's also said that the people of Ol Kalou will be ferried to State House on Wednesday when the by-election is on that day, and it's raising a lot of questions because you're asking yourself, for you to get into State House, then you have to give out your ID and everything. So it also takes me back to the question that you had asked earlier. Why is the president interested in meeting the people of Ol Kalou one day before, if the allegations or what the people of Ol Kalou are saying is true, because they have been told that when they go to Acacia?
All right, Jane Jerry, all the best as you continue with the